Hi dear viewers, welcome back to another very stylish, elegant and amazing collections here on Sfirana's channel. I hope all of you beautiful ladies and girls are doing great and enjoying your day with the styles and the confidence. So today in this video, we are going to explore a very trendy, feminine and absolutely stunning collections featuring these stylish tops, summer blouses and a floral style designs for 2025 seasons. So dear friends, this video is filled with elegant fashion ideas, soft floral patterns, fresh summer vibes, and a modern touch that will instantly upgrade your wardrobe. In today's lookbook, you will see a variety of summer perfect tops within a lightweight chiffon blouses, flowy cotton tops, trendy sleeves designs, and a soft pastel shades that keep you cool and stylish. We will also be exploring the fashionable summer blouses with a ruffle detailing with the elegant button-down styles, with the floral prints and a modern neck designs that give you a fresh and a check appearance. These tops and blouses are perfect for your daily work wears, your office styling, your casual street look, and even your semi-formal evening plans. Along with these tops, you will also love the gorgeous floral dresses for the 2025 seasons featuring these soft prints, flattering fits, airline stars, and a beautiful colors combinations that give you the perfect summer's glow. So each tops and blouses in these collections has been carefully selected to match your summer styles, stylish, comfortable, and effortlessly elegant. These outfits brings a soft feminine touch and make you look graceful throughout the hot summer days. Whether you love the bold floral patterns or soft pastel blooms. So this video has something for every fashion loving woman. So get ready to save your favorite styles and upgrade your summer wardrobe with these fresh and trendy inspirations.